down. 1.5 pounds. That's the big little guy. Stretch out. Woke him up. He's got a big head. Oh, look, he's tired. He's got a white chest and little. That's it. White chest. Got a couple of little tips. White little tipsy feet. That's it. He's got a big head. Oh, a big black head. 7 days old today. Looking to go back to bed. Whoa, rolling over. Oh. Just go give me a bottle of water. I want to show them how big he is. Bottle of water. The dog size. So in sense, he's bigger than a bottle of water. It's funny.
You must think it's his family. He's like, yeah, I got my brother. Okay, I'm going to sleep now.
Crazy little guy.
Fumble. Puppy down.